Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to start chapter number 6, integers. But before starting integers, I just want to ask you, do you know what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are the counting numbers which starts from 1, and there is a no end of natural number. Clear? 1 to infinity, all are natural numbers. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers which starts from 0 are called whole numbers. Now students, we will do integers. Integers is a combination of whole numbers and negative numbers. Clear? Negative numbers and the whole numbers combination is called integer. This definition will be more clear by this. You have to write this definition in your copy also. The collection of a number. Which number? Positive and negative integers. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is called integer. -1 is a negative numbers. They are negative numbers, so that's why we call negative integers. 1, 2, 3 are called positive integers because they are positive number, and 0 is neither a positive nor a negative. Clear? So you have to write this definition in your copy also, and this one diagram means integers representation on a number line you have to make. Means if you write a positive number, then it will be after 0, and if you want to represent negative integer, it will be in the left hand side. Clear? Keep this thing in mind. Now, how we will add and subtract in integer? So for that, if both the numbers are positive, means there is no sign, then it means it is a plus sign only. Then you have to do plus plus plus. And if there is a plus and minus, then you have to do minus. But keep this thing in mind, we have to put the sign of that one number which is a bigger one. Minus minus, we do plus, but sign will come of the minus. This thing will be more clear if you read this thing. It is given in your book only. When we have a same sign, then we have to add and put the same sign. Means if there is a plus sign, you have to plus. If there is a minus sign, you have to plus only, not minus. You have to plus only, but sign will come of minus because they say when two positive integers are added, we get positive integer. Means plus 3 plus 2, it will be plus 5. And two negative integers are added, we will plus them, but sign will come of minus. It means this, -2 -1 will be -3, sign will be of minus. But if one number is positive and another number is negative, then we have to do minus, but sign will be of plus, of bigger number will come. Here the bigger number is +4, so sign will be plus. If there is a number 4 is bigger and its sign is minus, so minus will come. Clear? So keep this thing in mind. And the subtraction of integer is same as addition of additive inverse. Additive inverse is a subtraction only. Means you have to do minus over there only. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we do exercise 6.1. They said you have to write opposite of the following. Opposite, you know, happy, sad. This thing you have done in English also, antonym. Similarly, like that we do exercise 6.1 question 1. Now student, you will ask, ma'am, we will do in the copy? Yes, all the questions we will do in the notebook. You have to write question 1, write the opposite of the following, then A part, increase in weight, and answer of A part will be increase in weight, opposite of it decrease. Decrease in weight. Clear? Now B part, opposite you have to write 30 kilometer north. North opposite is south. So B part answer is 30 kilometer south. Only this thing you have to write in the copy, mean question then answer. C part, it's 326 BC. BC opposite is A and D, AD. D part, loss of 700. Loss opposite is profit. So you write profit of. If there is a profit, then which sign will come? Plus sign. Clear? Of 700. Now we do E part. 100 meter above sea level, तो 100 meter above का below sea level. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is represent the following number as an integer with appropriate sign. Firstly we do A part. A part you have to write in the copy. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above, means this is the ground. From the ground it is going up. So we are going plus or minus. We are going up. When we go up we always put a positive. So how much distance he covered? 2000 meters. So what sign will come? Plus 2000. Clear? Now see B part. Submarine is moving at the depth. Depth means going down. There is a depth. When you go inside we call it depth. So 0 is in center. When you go up it is high and down is a depth. So down you are going. So which sign come? Minus. How much you have gone? 800 meter. Clear? Now C part. You can put a meter sign also. Then they say a deposit. You deposit the money. So the money amount will increase in your bank. Yes. So sign will be plus 200 rupees. Or you can write plus 200. 200. And with this rupee sign will come. Clear? D part. Withdraw. When you withdraw then money will be decreased from your bank. So how much? Minus 700 rupees. Clear? Now student we will do question number 3. Question number 3 is represent the following numbers on the number line. Means firstly I do plus 5. As you know, firstly you have to draw a line. Then in the center you know is 0. If you go this side then you will write plus 1 numbers. Means all the plus number come 0. After 0 1 come, 2 come, 3 come, 4 come and 5. And this side all the negative number come. After before 0 minus 1 will come. Then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This side number increases, this time number decreases. So keep this thing in mind that 0 is greater than minus 1. Clear? So I have made for you the first figure and you have to put this one arrow on the number plus 5. This is plus 5. Now minus 10. Minus 10 will be in the left hand side. 0 then minus 1 minus 2 like that you write, and minus 10 when come put a arrow over it. Clear? As I made. Now for the C part you write, make a line, center put 0, here you write minus 1 minus 2. How much you want to write? No problem, but there should be plus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here you put a arrow like this manner. That this arrow means that you shown plus 8. Is that clear? Now minus 1. This is a minus 1. You put an arrow. That this shows minus 1. You have to do all the question in your notebook only. Minus 6. Minus 6 is left hand side of 0. Firstly you write minus 1, minus 2. Now will you please tell me minus 3 is greater than or less than minus 1? Which number is greater? Minus 3 or minus 1? If you see the line, minus 1 is coming in the right hand side. So this number is greater. Clear? Keep this thing in mind only. Now we do question number 4. They said adjacent figure is a vertical number line. Vertical number line is given representing integer. Observe it and locate the following point. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Now see, this is 0. From 0 you have to go down. When you go down there will come minus 1, minus 2 like this. So if this is minus 1, then H will be minus 2 only. Then this is minus 3. This is minus 4. This is minus 5 and G is minus 5. Clear? Minus 6, sorry, g is minus 6. Then we do, if g is minus 6, then this is minus 7 and f is minus 8. So answer is f. Means on which point minus 8 will be? It will be on f only. Now if g is negative integer or a positive integer, it is a negative. Minus come na, down one is considered negative. So this is negative. You have to write in the copy only negative integers. Then write integer for point B. So solution C I am writing here. B is up. If 0, then minus 1, A is minus 2, plus 2, then plus 3, B is plus 4. Clear? B is plus 4. Now for E, it will be F is minus 8, then minus 9, E is minus 10. So E is minus 10. Clear? Now it's a C part answer. We do D. Which point mark on this number line has a least value? सबसे कम value you have to tell. E. So answer is E. E is having least value. Arrange all the point in descending order of the value. Descending means big to small. So सबसे ज़्यादा value किसकी है? D की. Which they have not written. D के बाद कौन सा point है? C. Then B. Then A. D, C, B, A, 0, H, G, F, E. Clear? You have to do in the copy only this one question. Now we do question number 5. Question number 5 is, following is a list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Means Siachen temperature is 10 degree Celsius below 0 degree. Below means if you go above, you write plus 10. If you go down, it will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. You can do in the book only. Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below, again below, so it will be minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then Ahmedabad 30 degrees C above means plus 30 degrees. Clear? Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above means plus 20. When above word is come, we do plus, down below come minus. 5 degree below, so minus 5 degrees C. Clear? Now represent the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Clear? So I already done A part, we done. Now B part is, following is a number line representing the temperature. You have to plot the cities against them. For example, minus 10. Where is minus 10? So here you write Siachen. Clear? Like this manner you write. Minus 2, 0, 1, 2. This is minus 2. Here you put Shimla. I will show you the figure like this manner you do. You have to make the figure like this manner. Mean number line already made. You have to write the name on it. Clear? Now C part. They are asking. One second. C part is, which city is having lowest temperature? If you see, minus 10 is smallest or minus 2. In negative, the number which is having biggest number, that is considered smallest. So C part answer is Siachen. Clear? This is the answer. So students, today we have done question number 1 to 5 of exercise 6.1 on the behalf of integers. So integers, you understand that it can be positive and negative integer along with 0. And when you add the numbers, plus is plus minus is minus. Both having same sign, you have to plus, but the sign of biggest will come. Clear? If it is having minus, then you have to put the minus sign. Clear? So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice